Jacqueline. Thanks.
Alrighty, in parts of the Denver metro area, it seems the snow is tapering off. And we have Dave here who is updating us. Good morning.
Yeah, there's still some snow out there. We'll show you on radar where it's at. I want to show you a pretty shot, though, when the snow first started down there in Franktown. Our weather watcher Phil Curry there sent that in. And then just a few hours later, John Bache up in Coal Creek Canyon, boom, had an explosion of snow up there. He had 10.5 inches of snow at his house blowing through. Other weather watchers reporting 5 inches in Lone Tree from Ron Rannick here, 3.5 in Westminster from Paul Romero, and 5.5 from Bambi Moss east of Conifer. Downtown, we've had about 2 inches of snow. Here's where it's snowing now from Golden into Conifer, Highlands Ranch, over into Castle Rock right now. And you can see this is a 4-hour loop. You could see just a few hours ago it was snowing all over the Front Range and in the Denver metro area, and it's just kind of now just congregating right down around C470. So this thing will be coming to an end in a couple of hours around here during the morning rush hour. Most of the heavy snow now is congregating down south of Pueblo down there into Trinidad and the Sangre de Cristos. And I am starting to see a little drier air move into Weld County. So that's the first signs of this thing moving out. Look how impressive that radar signature is as this whole storm blew through in the last 24 hours. Really a wallop here. So we could see another trace to ½ inch from Denver into the foothills up to outside of Fort Collins. Maybe a ½ inch to an inch from Castle Rock down to Monument down here left over as these advisories are still in play till about 8 o'clock this morning. Most of our temperatures are at or below freezing, so there will be some icy patches you'll have to contend with this morning. But as we look at the Futurecast computer model, by about 11 o'clock or noon, everything starts to clear out, the sun breaks free, and at the end of the day, everything moves out of the state, and we're in pretty good shape. So our high temperature today should make it to right around 40 degrees. Tomorrow, 59, 68 on Saturday. Good start to the weekend. But Sunday into Monday, another snowstorm, Andrea, comes into play. So Monday morning's commute could be kind of interesting for us next week.
All right. Something that we will keep an eye on. Thank you so much, Dave.